Assalamualaikum dear viewers, my name is Saifur Rahman and you are watching channel Transparent. Today we will discuss about basic chart of account. Dear viewers, hope you all fine and in good health. Dear viewers, after this video we will able to make chart of account in any accounting software in the world. Actually, the basic rule for making chart of account remains same. Further, in the end of this video, this lecture will help us to make profit and loss and balance sheet statement for any type of business financials. Let's start and stay with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, there is 5 basic head chart of account. Head number 1, assets. Head number 2, liabilities. Head number 3, capital. Head number 4, income. And head number 5, expenses. These 5 head for chart of account generated by any software maker, each accounting software at level 1. Now we will start chart of account in detail. One thing should be in your mind, it's not a rocket science. It's just a pick of your mind where you will pay attention. I am dividing chart of account in chapters where we will discuss it in details. Our first chapter is assets. So we should seek about its logical position in financials. An asset is anything that has or of future economic value to a business. Essentially, businesses' assets include everything controlled and owned by a company that currently valuable or could provide monetary benefit in the future. As per I stated before that assets is the basic and level 1 account. Now we will open assets level 2 branches in our financials. Level 2 branches, first of all, fixed assets. Second, current assets. Third, stock or inventory. Fourth, intangible assets. After opening of second level accounts in chart of account, now we will open assets level 3 branches in our financials. Level 3, plant and machinery and equipment under fixed assets. Level 3, building and freehold land under fixed assets. Level 3, cash account under current assets. Level 3, bank account under current assets. Level 3, receivable or customers or debtors account under current assets. Raw material or raw material inventory under stock inventory account. Work in progress stock inventory under stock inventory account. Finished stock inventory under stock inventory account. And then intangible assets under intangible assets. Now we will open assets level 4 branches in our financials. Level 4, printing machine under plant and machinery or equipment. Embroidery machine under plant and machinery equipment. Actually, dear viewers, I write these machinery names according to my business concern, but you should use machinery names according to your business you're doing and paying services. Actually, I use only 2 machinery names to save your time. There are maybe 10 type of machinery accounts in your business to open. 10 number of accounts are more than 10. Then we open level 4 account office building under building and freehold land. Machinery hall 1, 2 or 3 under building freehold land. If your business owned a land and building, you should open new accounts to enter both for these. But if your business location is on a rent basis, you will charge rent to your business profit and loss statement as expense. Then we open cash in hand, 4th level account under 3rd level cash account. Actually, cash in hand, an amount of cash in your business at the end of financial tenure. Then we open multiple business bank account, single or multiple bank names account under bank account. Here we open multiple bank account as I mentioned in chart of account. You should use your bank names in which bank you opened your business bank account. Then we open single or multiple customer names accounts under customer account. Here we open multiple customer account as I mentioned in chart of account. You will use your customers names for customers account opening. And then we open raw material name stock account under raw stock inventory account. Here we open raw material account. Raw material means the item you purchase for your business and process them to make finished items. Then we open work in progress materials name stock account under work in progress stock inventory account. Work in progress, also called WIP. WIP means that the raw materials used are issued by a store department to process them for generation of finished items. Finished material items stock account under finish. Then we will open finished material item stock under finished stock inventory. At the end of asset chapter, we will open patent or market worth account under intangible assets. Patent actually is your market worth of your brand, not have a physical entity. You can put your brand name in the market for sale to get its value and can mention its value against this patent account, and you will need to open an account in the liabilities to balance the value of statement. Dear viewers, we had discussed assets chapter in detail. Anyway, if you feel any confusion regarding this chapter, feel free to ask me in comments. I will try my best to reply regarding your questions in detail, inshallah. Dear viewers, our second chapter is liabilities. So we should seek about its logical position in financials. Actually, liabilities recorded on the right side of the balance sheet. Liabilities include loans, account payable, mortgage, deferred revenues, bonds, warranties, and accrued expenses. Liabilities can be contrasted with assets. Liabilities refer to things you owe or have borrowed. Assets are things that you own or owed. As per I stated before, start this lecture that the liability is the basic and level 1 account. Now we will open liabilities level 2 branches in our financials. First of all, we will open current liabilities account under main account. As I mentioned in the chart of account, further we will open long-term liabilities account under the main account of liability. After creation of second level accounts of liabilities, we will open third level account as I already mentioned in chart of account. Number 1, a third level account payable under the current liabilities, level 2 account. Vendors payable, third level account under current liabilities. Current liabilities means a payable amount within the short time. Number 3, sundry investors. Sundry investor. Now we discuss long-term liabilities. A third level sundry investor account under second level long-term liabilities account, and then third level bank loan payable account under second level long-term liabilities account. Long-term liabilities means a payable amount after a term decided with your investor or bank in a MOU. MOU mean Memorandum of Understanding, an agreement settled between two parties. Here we had created third level account in liabilities for chart of account. Now we will create level 4 account under liabilities account. Here are the level 4 account I mentioned already in the chart of account. So let's start. Stay with me. A fourth level salaries payable account under third level account payable account. Taxes payable fourth level account under third level account payable. A vendor account, a fourth level vendors suppliers names account under third level vendor payable account. Here we will create account with the names of supplier. As I mentioned in the chart of account, you will create your own suppliers accounts concerned to your business. A fourth level investor account by names under sundry investors account. A fourth level bank loan account under the bank loan account. Dear viewers, you are requested to please subscribe my channel and like comments for the good rating of my lecture. Dear viewers, kindly note that the further I have mentioned all stages for the first chapter for your reference, and I will discuss the same in short to save your time. Chapter C is our capital account. Capital means an investment amount given by a partner or sole proprietor to start the business is a liability of business. He can withdraw investment at any time according to business SOPs. According to stated in chart of account you have seen. We will open capital account according to stated in chart of account you have seen. Now we will discuss chapter D. Chapter D is our net income. You see, net income is amount we received against sale of goods we deliver to customers. We will open net income, level 2 account, third level account and fourth level account according to our chart of accounts, same like we opened the others. Chapter E. Chapter E is our expenses account. Expenses mean an item or services we used for our business. We always create our profit and loss statement with the help of expenses and net income. Stock is an additional subject for P&L statement and we will discuss in coming lecture in detail inshallah. There are two type of expenses, direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct means expenses concerned to your production department, machinery, where we produce goods. Indirect means expenses which are not concerned to your machinery or production department, just like advertisement, traveling, etc. First of all, we will create gross profit and loss with help of sales and direct expenses carried forward the same to CGS statement. CGS mean cost of goods sold expenses. Further, we will less all CGS expenses from gross profit. Dear viewers, here we discuss chart of account in detail. In case you have any question regarding this lecture, feel free to comment me. I will answer your queries according to my best knowledge. In the end, I would like to thankful to you for your time. Allah subhanahu forgive us on our mistakes and blessed us with good lectures. Jazakallah khaira. Allah Hafiz. Till the next lecture.